Want to hang out? When I said hang out, I thought we were going to play video games and not pack up and ship your Samurai X suit. You gotta let it go. You're the water ninja now.
I know, but it's hard. I only inherited my water power. Samurai X is something I created with my own hands.
These hands? Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt.
What's up?
Something we need to see. Come on, oof. Thanks for watching. I inherited my Wawa powers. Water!
What's up,
Did we just start a new trend? Do we?